At any time, you can verify your MyLab IT grades in the MyLab IT Gradebook. Anytime you complete and submit an activity, you can see your score here right away. Your grades do not sync with iLearn in real time. Your instructor will need to export them, clean up the export, and import them manually into iLearn. This process requires manual cleanup and some time, and it will usually happen once a week, 1 to 2 weeks after a due date has passed. If your student ID in MyLab IT is inaccurate or missing, your import will be rejected, and you won't see any grades on iLearn. 9 digits, not 8 or 10, no dashes. Once that is completed, it will be announced via iLearn, and you can verify your grades in iLearn. The process varies depending on your instructor. To see the grades option on iLearn in the left column, toggle the left navigation bar on by clicking on the hamburger menu, in the upper left-hand corner. Then click on the grades selection. Now you will be able to see your grades in iLearn. This can look confusing when you review this on a mobile device. Be careful to look at the correct columns. You want to look at your grades, not mix it up with class averages or other items. You can also see your current rank in the class, based on your score. The grade column is what you want to look at. Course setups vary by professor. Contact your syllabus or the instructor for details. Sections with DCIOM will display the actual achieved grade points so far, and you have to calculate your standing as instructed on iLearn after every import. This example shows your class grade working from 0 to 100. Divided by the maximum that could have been accomplished so far, stated after every import. It will show an F as a grade for everyone for most of the time, until later on in the semester. You need to get above 60% for this to change to a D or better. Review the iLearn News section to learn how to calculate your current standing in the class. Every faculty will have a different setup. Check your syllabus. You can play with the projected final class grade to see where you might end up, or what you need to accomplish on future tasks, to receive your desired grade. If you wonder how the projected final grade works, consult with the iLearn Help Desk in Library Room 80. For any questions regarding existing grades, it is usually best to come by in person during office hours. Thank you, and have a nice day.